the Australian. Oh, he tagged him on the bell, but it really wasn't after the bell, so we come back.
George Ferocious Kambosos Jr., kasalukuyang Unified Lightweight Champion. May malinis na kartada na 20 wins, 0 loss, 10 dito via knockout. May paparating din na laban ngayong Hunyo 5, araw ng linggo. Sa kanyang impresibong karera ay may 7 Pinoy boxer na din pala ang tinalo niya. 4 pa dito ay via KO.
As you said, John, this is exactly the type of fight Kambosos. Oh, he's dropped down Australia.
At ang isa sa mga Pinoy na nagpahirap sa kanya ay ang tubong Mindoro Occidental, si Rodney Rafol alias Dondon. January 31, 2015, naganap ang laban. 6 rounds lang ito at ginanap sa bansang Australia. May undefeated record si Kambosos Jr. dito na 6 wins, 0 loss, 3 via knockout. 21 pa lang ang edad, habang 12 wins, 5 losses at 5 knockout naman ang Pinoy na si Rapols at 28 ang edad. Sa gabi ng laban ay talagang matinding bakbakan ang nasaksihan. Kilalang matatapang ang Pinoy, walang inuurungan. Pero itong si Kambosos Jr. ay talagang palaban din sa suntukan. Sabay nating tignan ang kanilang bakbakan.
6 rounds. Clean contest, obey my instructions at all times. When I say stop and break, I want you to do exactly that. No hit, punch it back of the head, the kidney area. Cuts, gloves, and all the best.
You got to know when to walk away, know when to run.
There'll be no running in this fight.
Okay, as you can see from his condition, has trained hard. Oh, he got a minute or two.
Definitely so. They start off with a jab like most weight fighters do. They try to get their distance, try to get their range. And
From Rockdale, from Jeff Fennick, because the wraps are big. Counter punch from the Filipino. Oh, beautiful right hand from Kambosos.
and the good thing, Ray, was he didn't get carried away. He hit with 2 big punches. Good thinker, this boy. Nice body shot there by the Filipino.
Left, right, left.
His pain away, Jim Bean. Yellow Rick Road, Mark Boros always support.
So there's that bell sounding for the end of round number 1. So it's a 6-rounder, the first of the 6-rounders.
At sa round 2 ay tila uminit na ang laban. Mabibigat na kombinasyon na ang pinapakawalan. Talagang pinapahirapan ng Pinoy dito si Kambosos Jr. Gusto nang lapain ni Alyas Dondon itong Australiano.
You know, you can tell why the wraps are there on this young bloke, Jeff. Those combinations.
Definitely so, Ray. He's got all the punches.
The Filipino's stalking him back to the neutral corner and throws body punches, and they're flows from his shoulder. And close they go.
His back foot's behind his front foot, where it needs to be a little bit transfer your power. And in fact, well, that's a beautiful uppercut with his feet in the right.
The world champion is talking about Jeff Fennick. 22 seconds ago, round 2, scheduled 6-rounder. Oh, he tagged in there. Raful got in with a left.
Now Filipinos growing with confidence, Ray.
It's a much better round. Oh, good combination from the Australian. Back in the red corner, there's that bell.
Very, very complicated, but if you watch his replay, overhand right, the just missed, Kambosos lands, but Ray's throwing punches with his feet just a little bit too far back. Look at that beautiful right hand. That right hand should hurt you if his feet were in the right position.
Round 3, ganon pa din ang takbo ng laban. Kamao sa gitna ng lona.
That's why he's here in co-commentary. So
Ray, look, every time he steps, big right hand by the Filipino.
countered by a little short, sharp jab. Oh, another big right hand left it. Or words to that effect. Ooh, sharp left hand there, but counteracted by the fool. And there's a right, there's a left. Over the top, caught him with a left on the way back around. A straight left again, and
Oh, nice uppercut.
this has been a much better last 35 seconds for him, the Australian. Funny how ebbs and flows boxing. Just when you think the other bloke might be starting to assert himself, things change, and there's the bell sounding for them.
Umpisa pa lang ng round 4 ay nagkainitan na agad. Mas naging agresibo pa ang Pinoy alias Dondon dito. mabibigat na mga kamao ang binabato habang si Kambosos Jr. ay panay atras lang pero kumakaunter din naman minsan.
Kambosos take on the gloves of Raful.
Again, right.
Blue corner obviously backed in Filipino.
At sa huling segundo, isang malupit na kaliwa ang sinalo ng panga ni Kambosos Jr. mula sa kaliwang kamao ng Pinoy na si Alyas
The
Dondon.
Australian. Oh, he tagged him on the bell, but it really wasn't after the bell. So referee Mick Hafey says, "Come on, boys." Footy show.
Sa huling dalawang rounds ay makikitang mas agresibo pa rin ang Pinoy, mas umaabante. Talagang pinahirapan si Kambosos Jr. Kaso nga lang mas makamay itong Australiano, mas madaming patama kumpara kay Raffles alias Dondon.
Their opponent.
The Filipino landed
Left eye there, right?
spot on, just well spotted as well. It's just a trickle of blood, but a little trickle at the moment. Kambosos with a left that missed and a right that missed, and the Filipino takes guard. But there's a couple of scoring punches there. They'll work on that eye between the 5th and 6th. Left eye, as Jeff pointed out, has been opened up. Ooh. Moved away, and he comes after him, but the bell sounds for the end of round number 5 here at All Phones Radio. Off Instagram and Facebook after the birth of his child, says it's something he doesn't want to be involved with anymore.
What a great lesson to people that he wants to spend time with his children. What a great human.
Anyway, in the final round we are. I'd say without putting words in Jeff.
Kambosos doesn't need to throw too many punches. He doesn't want to get hit this round. And look, if he knows to hold, he should be holding a bit more and just slowing the fight down because he is in front.
Smart tactics, in other words. You know you're in front. You don't want to get knocked out in the last round and lose a fight.
Definitely so, Ray.
That one was on the shoulder from Raful. Make sure he's not far enough away to get tagged. And the corner man, the cut man's done a good job on the eye. The blood's gone. Oh, that's a beautiful uppercut. Straight lead from Rockdale. Oh, there's a nice punch. And then a quality fight against a quality opponent.
It's been the best fight by far. We've had some great action here tonight, but this is two guys you can obviously this because this is what boxing's about.
So Kambosos, the Raps will be coming into it and they'll be just as hard. Mick Hafey breaks them all. He went in and ran to a punch. The Filipino got one. He doesn't need to trade punches here, Kambosos. He's got it one, but he can't help himself. The adrenaline takes over in the final 20 seconds. He knows he's hurt him. He throws a left and a right. This cements a victory. He comes after the Filipino, the Australian. And there's an uppercut from Georgie. He knows he's won.
The guy was going to come out dangerous towards the end. He said, I'm going to finish and show the people what I've got. And he did that.
Let's take our viewers at home through the replay, Jeff.
Oh, there's that beautiful uppercut. It was a nice jab first, jab lead, and beautiful uppercut. And you'll see him, he'll do it again. If you hit him with it once, hit him again with it. And that's what George has done. That's, to me, that's...
Panalo ang Australianong si Kambosos Jr. via unanimous decision. Napanatili ang malinis na record habang nalasap naman ni Rodinera Falls alias Dondon ang pang-anim na pagkatalo.
Unanimous decision, ferocious George Kambosos Jr.
That's the word.